Hi. So I'm Daniel Lakovich. I'm marketing manager for seepex, and I just wanted to show you a couple of the things that really make us special. And what we're looking at here are a couple of SCT halves. SCT is our smart conveying technology. It's actually an innovative product. It's patented by seepex. It's one of a kind, and it really has been a breakthrough for progressive cavity pumps in making it more maintenance efficient, much quicker, much easier for maintenance technicians to take them apart and put them back together.
What's so special about the design?
The design is real special because usually a stator, if you can imagine, is in one piece. You actually have some right here behind us. These are one whole piece stators, and what you don't have to do anymore, you don't have to pull piping apart, you don't have to pull it off the stator, and you don't have to have two guys to do it anymore. You leave all the piping in place. All you gotta do is take some segments apart and then split this thing in half, take these off, put a couple new ones on, put your segments back on it, and you're ready to go. You're ready to run that pump. And so we make these in very many different elastomers and very different materials, so we can do it for many different applications. So another thing that makes seepex really special is that we can make all of our own stators, right? So what we do is these steel tubes are going to get one of these cores inside of it, and then what we're going to do is we're going to take both of those pieces of equipment, attach it to an extruder. The extruder is going to push molten rubber into the area in between. After that, that whole piece is going to get taken into an oven and basically baked and cured until it's hardened. So a good way to describe this whole process is like baking a cake. And seepex prides itself at being really good bakers. So what we do is we own our own recipes. Those recipes are proprietary, so that is really what sets us apart. So we can take those recipes and put in different sizes, from very small, very large, for food applications, oil and gas, chemical, environmental, all types of industries, all different types of variations, and we'll make sure that they work for you. Okay, so what we have here, we have our Wobble Stator. So what makes the Wobble Stator special is that it's a much more economical way of doing a progressive cavity pump. What you can do is, instead of buying a whole progressive cavity pump, you can just do a wobble pump, and it can handle lower flows, but we can also produce different types of elastomers for it, for different types of applications and industries. But really, this can be used for, like I said, lower flows, lower pressures, but it's something that we can churn out very quickly, and it's something that we can churn out on these presses, where we're also making SCT parts, which we're going to talk about here in a moment. But the press is really what allows us to make these very quickly in an efficient process, so we can churn out very many of them.
And these can also handle a variety of materials? Absolutely.
And we actually have a shop online for these. We have a Wobble shop, so you can buy these directly from us if you'd like to. As long as you know what materials of construction you need in your pump, you can select to run in the shop. You can get it shipped to you in a matter of days.